In this video, I will show you how to repair Microsoft Office. So as if you are facing any error, problem or issue to use your Office, like you are facing error in Microsoft Word or Excel, so you can resolve it by trying this method. Click here settings, then apps and installed apps. Now here search Office, modify. Now here select quick repair, then repair. So this is the method you can fix and resolve common error in Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office. If you are facing any error in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, so you can try this quick method. If this will not work, so try full method, full repair, and it will take the more time. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.